Hi, everyone. I've got a best One Piece 2-3 to share today that's just too good to keep to myself. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First up, let's talk about the design. It's absolutely gorgeous, sleek, stylish, and very premium. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And wait until you hear about the cost. It's a total steal. High quality for a fraction of what you'd expect. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It shines in so many different ways. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low right now. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.